Hi guys. Today I'm gonna talk about MediaPipe and hand tracking. So even in hand tracking, I'm just gonna focus on the normalized data. So the basics is just adding MediaPipe into your file. Just drag and drop the MediaPipe talks and the hand tracking talks. So once it's in, just set your camera webcam to whatever you have and turn off everything except for detect hand so it's lighter. After that, just connect the hands, which is like the third output two of that into the hand tracking, and from there we can proceed. So let's just bring out an out from the output 8. Alright, so let's just talk about normalized data now. Normalized data has everything that's related to all the fingers. So all the tip data, X, Y, Z's, all of them are in this. And these are like very, very important. If you want, those kind of videos wherein they use like a rectangle something and project something on top, these are very helpful for those. So let's just take in, I've already taken it out. So we need the index and the thumb for H1 and the H2. So H1 will always be the left. If you are bringing both your hands together, in case you're just bringing one, then it's gonna be the hand that is in the frame basically. But if it's together, it's always gonna detect the left as H1. So after that, just add a rectangle, and I think you need to add a corner pin. In the corner pin, go to the pin and let's just connect. So the bottom left is always gonna be the thumb. Left top is always gonna be the index. So let's just connect it like that. Once this is done, you will have accurate tracking. So how you use it is basically just comp it and then multiply it. So you should have something like this. And now you can start adding effects on top of this. So let's just bring in my favorite plugin, Distorto. And add a null. What effect do we want? Maybe go with the fake solid. And go with neon. So once you have this, it's just a matter of comping things. Let's go here, connect this, and bring out another comp. And now this is gonna be over. Okay. So yeah, there you have it. It's as simple as that. Now you can create your own style. So if you want to add more fingers into it, you just bring out the thumbs and the other finger. So if you want the middle finger also, you will add a middle finger here in the selection. So you have that data, and you just do the same thing that I've done right now for the corner pin. I can actually show you that. H2, fingertips. Okay. So now replicate the same thing. And instead of the bottoms, just plug the tops, which is gonna be the middles. Okay. So this, and then okay, and you just do the same thing. Switch this here. So and add an effect. So let's just duplicate this thing and change it to something like a strand wrap and add a null and just comp this here. So yeah, that's about it. That was it for the video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye guys. Bye bye.